Hi class, good day. For today, we're going to discuss Microsoft PowerPoint. On your desktop, there's a shortcut key of Microsoft PowerPoint. So double click it. Close. So your PowerPoint presentation looks like this. Okay. File, Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Transition tab, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View, Add-ins. So for today, we're going to concentrate on Home. So like Microsoft Word, the difference between the two, first, ang tawag natin sa Word ay page 1, page 2, page 3. Here in PowerPoint, we call it slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. And same as in the Word Home, andun din yung mga formatting tools like the bold, italic, underline, text shadow, strike through. Okay? Nandun din yan, di ba? Nandun din yung bullet. Numbering. Okay. So, ano yung nadagdag dito sa PowerPoint? So, andito yung new slide. Just like in Microsoft Word, I encourage you to use the shortcut key. So, the shortcut key in adding a new slide is Control M. This one. Control M. Automatically, once you open a PowerPoint presentation, syempre pa nagpe-present ka, di ba, kinakailangan, you have to show your title, to present your title, and the subtitle. Normally, when you are adding your title, nilalagay mo kung anong title ng presentation mo. For example, for this presentation, Intro, Introduction to PowerPoint. And then the subtitle, kadalasan, ang lalagay sa subtitle, is the name of the presenter. Okay. And then after that, I will add a new slide, which is the shortcut is Control M. Okay. Here, kung mapapansin ninyo, okay, nag-activate na yung ibang mga buttons. Okay, like the layout, the reset, the section. For the layout, once you add another new slide to your presentation, okay, normally lagi ang itsura niyan, ang layout niya ay ganito. Click to add title. Click to add text. Okay, this one. Here, meron siyang mga, do you want to insert a table in this portion? Or do you want to insert a chart? You can also insert smart art graphic, pictures, online pictures, and insert video. Okay, class. After this video, you may explore using or inserting a table, a chart, a smart art graphic, a pictures, online pictures, and insert video. You may do this afterwards. So let's click on add title. Here we're going to use insert. Okay. So let's insert pictures. For example, this one. Okay. I'm using the insert. Okay, ito yun. Because you can also insert pictures online, etc. Okay. Another slide. If you click the arrow down, ito, class, kung mapapansin nyo, may title slide, title and content, section header, to content. Ito yung mga layout. Okay? Layout yan. Andito rin yan. So, same lang din ang laman niya. You can also insert a blank slide. Okay? Ang maganda lang dito, kapag pinili mo, for example, you want to add to content. Okay, you click that one. You can add this. Let's design tab. Okay, click to add text. Click to add text. So, ibig sabihin, nagdalawang column siya. So, let's go to design. Design to, di ba? Let's go to the design tab. Ano yung meron sa design tab? Okay, here in design tab, mapapansin nyo yung mga designs na available. The templates available. So, if you want this one, okay, this one. So, rule of thumb, when you are creating or designing a PowerPoint presentation, dapat mag-design ka na agad. Bakit ka mo? Baka mamaya, pinalitan mo tong mga kulay ng text, ginawa mong red, and you're expecting na kapag nagpalit ka ng design, red pa rin yung text. Nagbabago siya. Okay? Kadalasan nagbabago yan. So, it's better for you to choose, okay, your template design para mabilis. Huwag nyo nang pahirapan ng sarili nyo na yung magpapalit ka pa ng kulay ng text, magpapalit ka pa ng font, okay? Pwede ka mag-increase ng font size, pero kung ano yung mga available na design, yun na lang ang piliin mo para mabilis ang buhay. So again, the rule of contrast, if your background is a dark color, make sure that your text, okay, are in light colors. Or if your background is a light color, ibig sabihin yung mga white, yellow, light blue, light pink, light green, make sure that your text, yung nasa ipapatong mo dun sa yung slide, are in dark color para may contrast. Hindi kakainin nung background yung ipapatong mo sa kanya. So, I like pink. And when you are designing your PowerPoint presentation, make sure that you take it in mind yung manonood. Okay? And the team also. For this one, kung nag-insert ako at para sa babae, so, I choose the color pink. Kung medyo may edad na at professional yung manonood ng PowerPoint presentation mo, make sure that your colors are neutral, masarap sa mata, kasi medyo malalabo ng mga mata niya, hindi lang ma-appreciate yung maraming kulay.